Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We all know how important a statement of purpose is, as it plays a major role in securing admission in universities and getting your visa application approved. Let's learn how to write an SOP. A statement of purpose is considered as the most important document while applying for admission to a university or while applying for a visa. Today we will discuss some important points to be included in your SOP. First, you can begin by using any proverb or any motivational quotes related to your line of studies. For example, if you're applying for an MBA, you can begin with positive quotes like, "A key to achieving success is to assemble a strong and stable management team." Second, reveal facts about yourself, which can be a life changing event, how your ambitions took root, what are your goals, and the subjects you're passionate about. Third, it's good to describe about your family circumstances, academic background, and work profile. An adequate detail about these points will provide a better picture about yourself. Fourth, explain the events that inspired you to decide an overseas education. Why do you choose studying abroad and not in India? Explain the importance of an international education, global employability leading to better work profile. To get some idea about the country, you can surf various websites and read some good blogs. For example, you can visit British Council website, ICEF, and UCAS websites in case you wish to study in UK. Fifth, mention about the university and the curriculum of the program. Do write what inspired you to study that particular program. Give detailed reasons for your interest. Mention about how the program is related to your academic or your work profile. You can give examples of some pioneers of your industry that you have met and they have inspired you to choose that particular program. Sixth, universities like to know if you have researched about them before applying. This assures that you are keen to study in that particular university. Why do you want to study in that university? What makes that university different from others? Do check the university ranking, who is the awarding body, employment prospects of the program, campus facilities, accommodations, scholarships, internships, and placements. At times, alumni of the university, heads of the departments can also help you in deciding the future of the program. You can seek some help from various websites like QS Ranking and Times Higher Education. Universities like to know your future plans and intentions of returning back to your home country. In the seventh point, you can mention about your intentions of returning back to your home country. Mention the upcoming opportunities in your country, employment prospects, and how do you plan to use the skills you have learned while studying abroad. Your future plans should be very much relevant to your goals and your visions. Eighth, close the SOP with a very positive message. Note, there are many samples of SOPs available on the internet. Taking help from them is always advised. You can download some sample SOPs from our website mentioned in the description box. A very important message: do not copy the content, as plagiarism is not entertained by any of the universities. For more information on overseas education, do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the bell button. Do call us or email us on the numbers mentioned below. Thank you for watching this video.